Trigonometric equations, quadratic in form. Some trigonometric equations are in a quadratic form. So if you recall from Math 2 and Math 3, you had quadratic functions where you have an a term that has the variable squared, a b term that has the variable to the first power, and then a c term that has no variable, it just has a constant. And when you have an equation in a quadratic form, that quadratic form can be factored. So notice this first example, 2 cosine squared x plus cosine x minus 1 equals 0. We can think of the form of this equation as 2t squared plus t minus 1 equals 0, where t equals cosine x. Also look at this second quadratic trigonometric form. 2 sine x squared minus 3 sine x plus 1. That form would be 2t squared minus 3t plus 1 equals 0, where t equals sine x. Most of your trigonometric equations that are in quadratic form will factor. If they won't factor, you would have to use the quadratic formula to find the solution.